Hi, today we are going to learn about SCL in TIA portal. We'll be learning in a way that first we will do the program in ladder logic, then we will convert them into SCL. We are working with inputs and outputs. Initially I was in device view, opening my main OB. In main OB, I will do the program in ladder logic by using instructions from bit logic operations. Now I'm adding a new block that is called function block and giving a name input and output. And select the language SCL. Now in this block we will be writing the program in SCL by using bit logic operations and also with the if-else commands, case of, for, while, all the instructions what we have in the program control operations. Now go to main OB. So initially add some tags in the first tag name is input ladder, indicates that I am using this tag in main OB of PLC. And next one is input SCL. I am using this tag in the function block. In the same way, output ladder and also output SCL. Change the address into Q0.0, Q0.1. Now we have taken set of tags to the ladder logic and also to the SCL. Now go to main OB and just splitting my windows into the here you can see both the difference between ladder and SCL simultaneously. So I am doing a ladder program, take an NVO and NC, giving the address I0.0 that is input ladder, Q0.0 that is output ladder, and just download to the PLC. Once the program is done, now you can keep in the monitor mode. I can check the condition. So I have input, I have output. So when I am giving a command, how it works we will see. So when I give input, I am getting the output. When I am giving the input, same thing you can see in the main OB, right? This is how it works. So input is high, output is high. When input is low, output is low. Now we will move back to the SCL. So from the instruction, from program control operations, drag and drop, if else, or from the favorites you can drop if. Here if input, that is the tag name what we have given in the PLC tags. So if input SCL equals to 1, then output SCL equals to 1. And this is not the exact syntax. You have to change the syntax. So instead of using equal to, you have to go for colon. And this is the syntax to represent the output. The whole program is nothing simple. If input SL equals to 1, then output SL equals to 1. Now I think you've seen the program, right? Now go to main OB, just drag and drop input and output, and just go for download. So simple that I have just drag and drop the function block into the main OB. This is nothing but a call operation, we can say. I'm just calling function block into the main OB, so it will run the program. Now initially you can see both the conditions, input is off and output is off. So whenever I give a command, input automatically gets the output true. Again when I remove the input, but the output is not in the false condition. Why? Because you haven't written a program in the SCL that output should equals to 0 or output should become 0. So only the in program we have written output should equals to 1 when the input SL equals to 1. So we will do a few more changes in the program. Just copy paste the same program, same line. In that just add, if it is equals to 0, then output equals to 0. If input SL equals to 0, then output SL equals to 0. I have the two lines, one is for output to become high and one is for output to become low. Again download the program, so automatically it will update it, and you can see the green symbols on the left side of projector window. It has been updated. Now you can see that whenever input is false, output is false. Whenever input is high, now you can see the output also, right? Now the input is true, output is true. This is the first line, and the second line, input is false and output is false. So in this way you can see the output in SCL. Now we will see both the things at the same time, how it works. So I'm keeping both the things in monitor mode. Now we'll observe from the ladder logic initially. So when I give the input, output is on. In the same way you can see observe in the cell, when the input is true, output is true. When the input is false, output is false. So both the things I'm working at the same time. That how we can convert ladder to the SCL.